Okay, Larry, W6WH in California. Here we are with all the wires soldered on this Cinch Jones plug except for the high voltage wire. And go in here and see how close we can get to this. Oops, there goes the focus. Come on, focus. So there you can see what we got. None of the wires have so much uncovered, there's very little uncovered wire. The insulation goes down almost to the pins, and when these get bent around and mangled with the cover going on, they're not likely to short out despite not having heat shrink on each individual pin. So we still have to work out what the high voltage lead is going to be. I think it's probably going to be the stranded center conductor of some RG58. Unfortunately, that goes in pin 8, which is kind of right in the middle of this junk, but we'll do it. So there we have it.